At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's sword and gun day. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late.
两分钟的显卡和这个短板的键轴组看起来就那种没有满月的感觉。不过呢，这并不影响性很不错的，人家有305帧，比4年用台的对比4年用台的100